ESI was founded in 1990. Shortly thereafter, we began manufacturing ourselves. And we primarily do metal stamping, tool and die work. We do some screw machine, mechanical assembly, and fasteners.
We build all our own tools in-house. We have 3 CNC machines, 2 wire EDM machines.
We started working with Thomas right after our inception. We were back with the green books on that platform.
And we've been using Thomas forever, from the stacks of green books that would take up this whole conference table to being all internet-based now. It's been a great transformation.
We tried other people with websites and marketing and found that their focus wasn't necessarily on manufacturing, and Thomas is. So we went back to Thomas, do all our digital marketing with Thomas and website. And I realized that with things like SEO and getting some critical mass behind your marketing effort, it takes some time. But after a little bit, we realized that things were percolating and we got a lot of activity and we could see steady results with SEO. And now we see weekly results for sure. A lot of inquiries come through Thomas and through our marketing efforts.
It's a great resource and a tremendous search engine that is a very valuable piece of our business, and would recommend it to other businesses.
The people at Thomas are great. It's a good fit for us. We've had a good connection with everyone at Thomas, and I think it's a great company to work with. I would recommend Thomas to any manufacturer, honestly, because other people in the marketing space are not 100% manufacturer focused, and Thomas is.